Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to improve your Snapchat camera quality on your iPhone. So first of all, you have to click on the Snapchat application. After that, you have to click on your chats and then click on your profile icon here. And then now you can see an option settings, click on it. After that, you have to scroll all the way down. And now you can see an option here, clear data, click on it. And then you have to click on the clear cache. It will clear all of your cache files. Click on the clear button and you have to restart your Snapchat application. It will fix your camera quality problems. If still you have problem with the camera quality, you have to open your app store. After that, you have to search here Snapchat. After that, click on it. And then you have to make sure you are up to date and you have the latest version of Snapchat. It will also fix all of your camera problems on Snapchat. And the third step you have to do, open your settings on your iPhone. After that, scroll a bit down and click on the general settings. After that, you have to click on the iPhone storage, and then now you can see the Snapchat option here. Click on it. After that, you have to click on the offload button here, and then you have to reinstall the app again. It will fix all of your camera problems. And the fourth step you have to do, you have to back this settings, and then you have to click on the software updates here. Click on it. And you have to make sure you have the latest version of iOS. Now you can see I am up to date. There is no problem with the software update. I hope you have learned these 4 steps and it will definitely fix all of your camera problems on iPhone and Snapchat. So I hope you guys understand the video. Please follow for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and press on the bell icon. See you guys in the next videos.